What is going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here, coming at you with another video. So an article came out today on CCN. SEC approved Bitcoin ETF possible in 18 months. Now this article kind of just reinforced what I have already basically said that my thoughts are on the Bitcoin ETF, and that is that even though it was the Winklevoss twins ETF was denied, it is still very possible we get an ETF. It just isn't going to happen overnight. I mean, everything with government is slow versus like if you look at like private industry and technology and blockchain, things move very quickly. But when it comes to government, things move very slowly. They're like snails. It takes forever. So this kind of reinforced what I already believed, and that is that a Bitcoin ETF will happen eventually, but it was not going to happen anytime this year. Let me get into the article and then I will give my thoughts. The SEC could approve a Bitcoin ETF in the next 18 months, said Ali Hassan, the CEO of one of the three co-founders of asset manager Crescent Crypto. Hassan, a former Goldman Sachs executive, was speaking at Bloomberg Market Studios about the considerable potential of passive management strategies in cryptocurrency markets. On being asked about the SEC's rejection of the Winklevoss Bitcoin ETF twice in a row, he acknowledged that U.S. regulators' concern about investors' protection. However, Hassan proposed passive investments as a solution to reduce some of those concerns, saying that they will, quote, actually increase participation in the cryptocurrency market. Quote, we do think a product is coming soon. Perhaps in the 18 months, we'll see a Bitcoin-only ETF. Hassan continued by mentioning some of the exciting projects in the Bitcoin ETF space. VanEck has attempted, after failing twice, to address the regulator's concern about inflating its Bitcoin ETF share price. Currently, each VanEck shares represents approximately 25 Bitcoins. Hassan's very own asset management fund, which was launched during Q1 of 2018, approaches only wealthy US investors whose annual salaries are above $200,000. To strengthen protection, the index fund lists the top 20 coins in its portfolio, only shortlist after they meet specific standards of market capitalization, security, and liquidity. Jay Clayton, SEC chief, in his February address to the U.S. Senate, had reserved his intentions to stop crypto ETFs over their high volatility, security, long-only nature, and improper custodianship. The Bloomberg interview, while not directly referring to Clayton, pointed out some of these concerns to Hassan. He responded with the claim that none of their investors have faced any problems with their index fund, explaining they had reduced volatility by holding 20 coins with slightly different levels of correlation and using a 90-day trailing average market cap. Quote, our strategy has muted the overall volatility of the portfolio relative to just Bitcoin alone. So this again, guys, just kind of reinforces what I believed. We're going to get a Bitcoin ETF. We're going to get more, not just Bitcoin. We're going to get other types of cryptocurrency ETFs, maybe an Ethereum ETF, maybe eventually a kind of mixed cryptocurrency ETF that has a variety of different cryptocurrencies, different altcoins, whatever you want to call them. Maybe even some funds that go and invest in ICOs, because ICOs could make you a ton of money if you know how to spot good ones. But nonetheless, guys, this again is pretty decent news that we will possibly be getting one eventually, according to Crescent Crypto CEO, but it does kind of suck it's not happening this year. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe, share it, and I will see you next time. Peace out.